Hello, I'm Holden Ramey with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by CattleFax, the deciding factor. Open interest in the live cattle complex has been trending higher since reaching a low in early May. This is quite counter to the normal seasonal pattern. Open interest is typically trending lower during the late spring and early summer as illustrated by the 20-year index. Last week, open interest climbed 8,667 contracts to finish last week near 336,600 contracts. However, so far this week, open interest looks to be softening some, suggesting that the seasonal trend lower may be beginning to take shape. Looking at the managed money position in the live cattle complex, it is evident they have recently been very bullish the live cattle market. Since the end of March, the managed money long position has basically doubled in size. For about the past 7 weeks, the number of longs has been hovering on both sides of 120,000 contracts. Historically, this is a fairly large long position for the managed money traders, as this level has only been attained a handful of times. Switching gears, the managed money short position has been trending lower for much of the year so far. The most recent data points show the short position around 12,500 contracts, down over 3,000 contracts from the prior week. Going back historically, 10,000 contracts would be a low watermark for the managed money short position. It will be important to continue to monitor the money flow data, especially here in the near term. If the managed money traders begin to exit some of their sizable long position, it would likely cause the live cattle market to become more limited in the short term. Turning to this week's markets, moderate fed cattle trade occurred in the north, mainly at 185 live, $5 lower, and primarily 295 to 296 dressed, which is $4 to $5 lower than last week. Light to moderate volume traded in the south between 181 to 182, which is $3 to $4 softer than the prior week. The feeder cattle index finished $2.42 lower on the week, near 224. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.